shower head, and we're very excited about it. We set it up. It's really easy to do, but the only problem we have is, oops, that's not the problem. The only problem we have is this part. It sticks up when nothing is in it, but as soon as we put in the shower head, it sinks. Just slowly going further down. Yeah, so that piece isn't as tight as we would like it to be, because it's getting to a point where it's like just a straight on top of your head shower. But other than that, it's been great so far.
So it wasn't hard to install, but I like my shower head to face a little bit upwards. So while the water is running through it, you see how it just goes down? It doesn't stay up. So now I just have to stand close to the wall because the water just comes down like this. But I want mine to be like this. So look what happens. Just upside down. So that's what I mean by it doesn't want to stay up. It's just, oh.
Absolutely love this thing. It has different settings. The only thing I would have hoped it came with would be like a little rubber thing so that it stays, you know, more secure in the holder, because it doesn't stay usually. But man, this thing is awesome. I love it. It's pretty too.